go. Let's go ahead and pick them up. Just like this. Bring them right out here. And that is going to be our mummy wrap. Let's move on with the banana. We got our nice little Chefclub knife. Comes with the finger protector. I don't need it today, guys. So we're going to go ahead and cut this and peel a banana. Just like this. Go ahead and cut this down the middle, and then again. Here we go with our Chefclub Kids knife. Now we're going to go ahead and empty this, but not totally. We leave a little space on the edge for our popsicle stick. We make space for our filling, just like that. And we do the same with this one. Now we have space for our peanut butter nicely melted. Just like this. Go, keep that inside. And a little jelly, or jam, whatever you want to use. Let's go ahead and close it up, just like this, one on top of the other. And we're going to stick this right here where we left some banana uncarved. So we can hold on to it into our melted chocolate. You can make one without chocolate if you wish. Here we're going to show you this version and back out. So we're going to let that sit just a bit right here on this plate. There we go. Chocolate covered banana filled with peanut butter and jelly, and our crepe strings. And go around all the way. Make it look like a nicely wrapped mummy. Just try and have the white on the outside so it stands out a little better. Here we go. Last little band. Let's place it here. And let's put his eyes on, guys. Nice little candied eyes. We'll stick them on with a little bit more of this melted chocolate, just like this. Little dot on the back. And let's go ahead and stick it on there. Let's finish it off with a little blood. It's not really blood, guys. We have some jam right here. Just dab it here and there. Quick little snack for your kids. You can use it nicely for Halloween or any other occasion. But here you go. Enjoy.